Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. Today I will be doing a plan with me video. I know I haven't done one of those in a while, but I just made some new mini kits, mini printable sticker kits and put them in my shop. And I want to test them out in a planner that I'm decorating for fun. Decorating this planner for fun because I'm not sure when I'm going to use it. Let me explain. So this is the mini kit here. You get 2 pages. All right. And it's a principal kit. I do size my kits for Cricut, 6.75 by 9.25, but as you can see, you get a pretty full page of stickers. So I don't know how to use Silhouette, so that is why I always use Cricut sizing for my kits. But you do get a PNG file, a PDF file. The PNG has a transparent background and it has the outline around the images. So this is the Adulty, sorry about this, the Adulty AF planner from the Honeybee shop. So I have bought a ton of things from the Honeybee shop that I wasn't using. So I pulled out her planner and I decided to use some of her stickers. I think this one is the Cottage Core sticker book. So I've been going through the planner, decorating the planner with her stickers. And since my stickers are similar in size, I decided that I would go ahead and try out my stickers in this planner, because I've decorated a pretty good little bit using her sticker books that I had, because they were just sitting and collecting dust. So I said, let me pull out her sticker kits and decorate this planner. But this is what it looks like, not decorated. It's an undated planner. So this is your week page here, your full week. And then you have a Monday through Sunday page. So it'll have the day at the top. You can do your to-do list here or here. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can do probably some habit tracking here. And then you have a little space here for notes. So, and then after Sunday, you have a full page where you can do notes. All right, so I'm going to try to find the last week in here. There's 12, I think 12. Don't quote me. I'm going to go ahead and just put the stickers that I'm doing in the back as December. Because I can't remember. And I tried looking on her shop to see if she still had this on there, but I didn't see it. I might just be missing it. I'm not sure how many weeks are in here, but it's teeny tiny. It's cute. So anyway, it's undated, so I can pick it up and put it down as I like, and use it at my leisure. So I'm just going to go to the last one here. I'm not an affiliate of the Honeybee shop. I just like her stickers. So I'm going to go through this kit and see if I can decorate this planner. And it's spiral bound. I love, love, love a good spiral bound planner. My stickers are, the width is 1.5. These particular stickers, 1.5 by 0.5. I feel like I'm saying that in a really awkward way. 0.5 by 1.5. So it's 1.5 across. And I may speed some of this up. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. And if you haven't watched one of my plan with me's before, because I know that it's been few and far between since I've done these. I don't lay my stickers down very straight, and I'm okay with that. As I lay the sticker down crooked. I feel like as soon as I say that, it gets worse the way I lay down the stickers. Sorry about the shaky cam. I did create the images for the sticker kit in Midjourney. And there are different themes on my shop. There's a reading theme one, a pop art theme one, a spa day. I can't think of the other ones right offhand. All right, so got that laid down. Let's try this here. Washi tape. And see if I have enough to put here. There we go. So I did a video recently on the channel, very recently, about making my own dashboard for the Happy Planner. It was an experimental video. I had no idea what I was doing. And as you saw in the video, the crop marks and the bleed didn't quite fit. So I had to trim it down some more. Ultimately, I eventually got it to fit in the planner. These decorative boxes are 1.5 by 2 inches. See, Christmas is on a Wednesday. Well, it's on a Wednesday this year. I don't know what it is next year. So I'm just trying to see if I can get these kind of going like that. I like it. So as I was saying about the dashboard, so I'm going to try it again, and I'm going to make my own crop marks. I'm going to attempt to make my own crop marks. Let me say it like that. Yeah, I'm going to attempt to make my own crop marks. So I can use these stickers in Erin Condren. And Happy Planner. Now they're only 2 inches, so and I think the Happy Planner boxes and their vertical planners are 2.5, so they'll be a little short. But I feel like the way that me and I've seen other people use stickers now, it's fair game. Basically, your stickers don't have to fit perfectly in a box. They can if you want them to, but they don't have to. So I feel like you can use the stickers anywhere and any way you want. But I love theme kits because it dresses up the planner, right? Oh, that's real quick. That is really crooked. I feel like I need to buy some more removable sticker paper from Online Labels for when I'm doing this. You know, showing you guys the stickers and everything. And when I lay them down crooked like I just did. Horribly crooked. It'll be easier to come up. I have a little bit more removable paper. I don't know why I'm holding on to it, but I only have a little bit left. But I definitely wanted to experiment to see how the stickers fit in this planner. So yeah, I'm going to, I know I started talking about that and then skipped on to another subject. I'm going to make my own crop marks and bleed in what am I trying to say? Oh, for the dashboard. That way, when I get ready to cut them down, won't be so wrong, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh. So I'll make a video doing that. I should have known it was going to be a little bit too easy with the crop marks and the bleed. Nothing's ever easy, right? Let's see. See what else I can put down. I'll put down the Merry Christmas here. Let's see. Put it here. I can put it there. That's fine because I got a big box there. And box there. And then I have some random stickers that I could put because these are too big. But I have some random like bell stickers on another sticker sheet that I have. But yeah, I just wanted to try these out. Let me push this up a little bit. Wanted to try these out in the planner, and they fit very well. Like I said, they're 1.5 width, so you should be able to definitely fit these in an Erin Condren or a Happy Planner. The length of the box is a little short for Happy Planner boxes, but if you like, let's say, oh, I have a Happy Planner, right? I have a Happy Planner right here. So I don't want to take an actual sticker off, but if you can see it well. The box is a little short, but what you could do, because you still have this room up here, you can put like a to-do sticker, a goal sticker or something like that, or gratitude, and you can put something across the top, basically is what I'm saying. Or the bottom. So yeah, I really love making spreads from scratch. I know I haven't done a lot of that on the channel lately. I haven't done a lot of planning on the channel, period. But I like making spreads from scratch, so that's why I like making little mini kits like this. And again, I'll link my shop in the description box below, but I just want to try out the stickers and see how they fit in the planner. All right. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.